Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. And basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, turn over it, and at the back side, right here at the bottom, we have SN, what means serial number, and you can check it right here. The second option is to find this information at the charging case. So right here, let me zoom it for you. So did we have it? Yeah. And right here also at the bottom we have SN, what again means serial number. So this one is the second option to check it here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.